get the content for you guys. Look at my new boots. My new boots. Guess we can't go that way because the fucking tree fell. Last time we were here was hella fucking muddy. Hopefully I don't bust my ass this time. Look at that. Just beauty. Look at that. You get somewhat bankfish over there. I'll probably go over there. This is the whole reason why I bought these. I got my feet in the water. Yeah, mama, I got my feet in the water. Even though I still got these, I gotta watch where I step. It's still slippery. This is where I wanted to be, right here. This was where we were at last time. How fucking beautiful that is. Okay.